I'm Julia Tershin. Today I'm making a really easy spring meal for a friend who's on their way over. Right here I have everything for a shrimp and asparagus scampi that I'm actually gonna cook all in a sheet pan, so you don't need to use a bunch of skillets, you can do it all at once. And I use rosé in it because I'm gonna drink rosé with the meal, so I may as well use some to cook it. And the asparagus is in season, it's fresh and wonderful, but you can use any vegetable you have. So to prep the asparagus, I bend one, and wherever it naturally snaps, that's where I'm gonna cut the rest so they're to this length. And I do it kind of like on a little angle, just sort of looks really nice. And then I'm gonna cut them into bite-sized pieces. Instead of asparagus if you want, or in addition to asparagus, you could use any fresh spring vegetable, anything that'll cook at about the same amount of time as the shrimp, which is just gonna be about 5 minutes under the broiler. I'm just gonna add, it's 1.5 pounds of shrimp, all in, a little olive oil, say 3 tablespoons, 4 cloves of minced garlic, and I like a pretty healthy pinch of red pepper flakes. I'm gonna season it with some salt. And I'm just gonna mix it all together with my hands. I think hands are the best tool for the job. Just make sure everything's really evenly coated. And then just spread it out in an even layer so everything cooks really evenly. The last thing, I'm just gonna splash some rosé into it. Do about 1/4 cup. I'll just pour it all around. And what's so great is that this is gonna become the sauce for the pasta. The rosé is also just such a beautiful color. It's the same color as the shrimp, so your table just looks beautiful. To finish it, I'm gonna zest the lemon. So I just take a microplane. I like doing it upside down so it catches all the zest, and then I can control kind of where it goes. And I like to do the lemon zest and the lemon juice after it comes out of the oven, so the flavor stays really nice and bright and it doesn't get kind of cooked away. And then sprinkle that around. And then to get the juice, I'm just gonna cut it in half and squeeze it over. And it might look like a lot of liquid, but this is gonna be all the sauce for the pasta, so it's gonna be just delicious. So get all of that. And then a little melted butter just adds a little bit of extra flavor, a kind of buttery richness to the sauce, and a little goes a long way. And then the last thing is parsley, just roughly chopped parsley. And I'm gonna mix it together with 2 spoons. And I use 2 because it's almost like tossing a salad. This just gives you more control to mix everything. You wanna make sure the zest gets everywhere. So now that it's all mixed, I'm just gonna combine it with the cooked pasta and it's gonna be ready to go. I have my cooked spaghetti. I'm just gonna add all the shrimp and asparagus to it. And if you don't eat pasta for any reason, these are delicious over soft polenta, any cooked grain. You know, it works really well. I'm just gonna toss it all together. Having a big bowl makes this a lot easier, so you have room to really do that job. Get your serving bowl. Make sure you get all the shrimp and asparagus from the bottom. There they are. To serve it, I just put a few extra lemon wedges around for everyone to squeeze over. It kind of brings out the acidity of the wine. It also cuts through all that rich, buttery flavor. Check out the other videos to see what else I made for my spring meal.